This mysterious artifact was found on a 500-year-old wreck. When the explorers realized what it is, they knew the legend was true. The year is 2014, and explorers have discovered the wreck of a ship that sank some 500 years ago. The ship is in relatively good condition, and the explorers begin to salvage what they can. They find old documents, personal belongings, and other treasures. But there is one object that catches their attention more than the others. Half buried in the sand at the bottom of the ocean, they find an object that looks like a compass, except it's much bigger. It's about 1 meter in diameter and looks very old. It's unclear exactly how long this thing has been at the bottom of the ocean, but the explorers carefully brush off the sand and take it back to the surface. As soon as they get the artifact out of the water, they realize it doesn't point north like a normal compass. It seems to point in a random direction. They take it with them when they leave. And soon enough, they discover it points towards the ocean, and always in the same direction. It becomes clear that this is no ordinary compass, and so the explorers decide to follow it. They sail along the coast, following the direction the compass points. At first, nothing happens. The compass seems to be leading them along the coast. But then the strangest thing happens. One by one, ships start disappearing. The first ship to go is a small fishing boat. The explorers watch as it follows the compass, and then suddenly vanishes into thin air. They don't hear any cries for help or see any signs of trouble. 1 minute the boat is there, and the next it's gone. At first, the explorers think it's just a fluke, but then more boats start disappearing. The compass seems to be leading them straight into danger. But why? What is this compass? And how does it work? Some say it's a relic from another world or another time. Maybe it's not a compass at all, but an ancient weapon of some kind. Maybe it doesn't lead to a place, but is a way of destroying entire ships. No one knows for sure, but the legend says it leads to the heart of the sea's secret. So what secrets is it hiding? What's really going on? Turns out that whenever a ship follows the compass into the sea, it never comes back. The only thing left behind are the coordinates where they vanished. This happens every single time. It's unclear if anyone ever followed the compass before, but this time the explorers want to find out. They continue to follow the directions of the compass. Soon enough, the ocean around them begins to get choppy. They find themselves in the middle of a storm, but it's a strange storm. The wind doesn't blow in any particular direction. It seems to be coming from everywhere and nowhere at once. In the middle of the storm, the compass stops moving. It's pointing directly up towards the sky. The explorers know this must mean something, but they aren't sure what. Some say the compass is trying to tell them that whatever lies beneath the sea here is unsupposed to be disturbed. Maybe they shouldn't have followed it in the first place. Whatever lies beneath the sea here is clearly dangerous, but the explorers press on. After all, they came this far. When the storm is over, the explorers look around. They're still in the middle of the ocean, but the compass isn't pointing in any particular direction anymore. It seems to have lost its power. Just then, the explorers see something in the distance. It looks like an island, but how can there be an island here? There isn't supposed to be land for miles around. Could this be the secret of the ocean? Could this compass lead to a hidden world beneath the waves? Or is it just leading them to a place no human has ever seen before? As the explorers approach the island, they realize it's covered in treasure. There are chests and jewels everywhere. But that's not what the explorers came for. They had hoped to uncover the secret of the ocean, but now they wonder if maybe some secrets are better left buried. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out more content. With that, thanks again for watching, and see you next time.